Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the smile lips feature on your selfies on the CapCut application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, tap on the edit button down below and select the project that you want to edit. Click on the edit button in the left side corner, slide to the left side and tap on retouch. Tap on face at the bottom and select the reshape category in the middle of the page and then the mouth subcategory below. Select smile lips, zoom into your lips, and here you can make your mouth and lips and edit your smile basically by using this slide at the bottom of the page. Here you can see how your smile changes after making your adjustments, and you can save the changes by tapping on the check mark icon down below. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.